Hello, happy Father's Day to everybody out there. Happy Father's Day to this guy. We are actually doing something unique and different. We got the Heritage Box from the Jilly Box, and we haven't opened it yet. It's Ken's Father's Day gift. And yes, I haven't opened it yet. Go figure.
Let's see what's in it.
So here we go. We're gonna see what's there and see his honest and true reactions. Let's go. This is killing me not opening this box. Oh no, flip it upside down. Woo! That was
Oh, gotta have the Jilly Box label on the top. Sorry, for my first time.
a new tradition.
11 premium products, 10 Canadian-owned brands, 6 women-owned brands. Okay, let's see what we got here.
Canadian.
Oh, something still. Let's see what the stuff is that's already opened. Ah, a nice hat from Shore. Oh,
FYI, it's in green. It's not favorite color. But...
and now we're getting into a nice insulated mug from Grosche, called Yukon. So competing with Stanley and Yeti, I guess. Body wash and shampoo from The Gentleman. It's called The Gentleman. Thank you. What do we got from Lovey? Ooh. Uh-oh. Poop drops for the toilet so it doesn't smell. So trying to tell me something?
Maybe.
Oh, air freshener for the car.
Ooh, these smell good.
Note to self. Nice. Oh, it's a journal book. Very nice.
That might go to Ryan.
That could go to my son.
For his music writing.
Oh, and then, love this company, Thunder Bay. That's where I'm from. There we go. And what flavors did we get in this guy? Oh. Eat on the bright side. Where is it?
No, right there.
Figure it out.
Wait. Don't go any further. Oh.
There
Okay,
we go.
Fun fact. Our boys have a band, Honest Heart Collective, and they actually did a collaboration with Heartbeat Hot Sauce. So, very near and dear to our family.
So what did we get? We got the dill pickle serrano,
Which is Sebastian's favorite.
our grandkid. And then we've got, the camp sauce. Yes, Thunder Bay camp sauce. Gotta love it. Thank you, Heartbeat. What else we got in here? Oh. Oh, looks like a bag of some kind. Ooh, this looks nice. Come on. Nice. Nice travel bag. Very nice.
From?
Here we go. Come on.
Oh, it's from Louenhide to match my cream one. Oh, nice.
Very nice.
And?
Last but not least, I think we counted 11.
From Herschel.
From Herschel. Ooh,
Ooh, that's nice.
a very nice shaving kit travel bag.
Oh, you have a hanging one from Herschel, don't you?
Yes, I do.
So we have and it's the same color, matching set.
Thank you very much, Jilly Box. Happy Father's Day.
That's so cool. All right, that is everything in the Jilly Box. I'll put a description down below each of the items. As you know, double tap, thumbs up, follow for more. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the net.
Bye.